afternoon, dear viewers. My name is Shiv Kumar from the authors of the commodities website www.akshayashiv.com. It's been a while since we've done a program on YouTube, over 6 months, and I can assure you that beginning now, maybe on a weekly basis, twice a week and on weekends, we'll be giving live updates and commentaries on the commodities complex as we see it both technically and fundamentally. I'll now be giving an analysis of the markets as I see it at 2:30 p.m. on August 16th, 2013, Friday. Yesterday the Indian markets were closed on account of Independence Day. The international markets shot up overnight, especially bullions, gold and silver, hit new highs, broke all resistances, and when the markets opened this morning, we saw a huge gap up open, giving very little opportunities for fresh traders to make positions or buys in any of the commodities that we saw as we saw this morning. Two important factors that weighed in the markets today were the movement of the INR. INR hit a low of 62 this morning and now trading at 61.7. All steps that seem to be taken by the Finance Ministry, RBI and the Government of India does not seem to have any effect, and a break above 62 seems imminent in the days to come if the trend is what one goes by. A break above 62 could see 62.5 to 63 in the days to come. This could cyclically hold up commodities at much higher levels, though in dollar terms since morning it's been trading at same levels. Another factor was last evening the US markets crashed badly, which was seen as an effect in the equities today. The Nifty is now trading at 55.25, strong support at 54.80. A break below could test the next level of 54.30 to 54.20. A break below 5400 could see levels of 5200. But whether it takes support at 54.20 to 54.30 remains to be seen. Likewise, the Bank Nifty seems to be crashing below that 9500 mark now, and next supports are seen at 9200, 9000, 9480. Now I'll be giving a wrap up of each of the commodities as I see it. First we'll talk about gold. Gold broke the resistance last evening in the international market of $1,350 and now currently trading at $1,360, hit a high early this morning of $1,373. A close above $1,373 could take it up to $1,390 to $1,400. Current support is seen at $1,350 to $1,345. Right now it's trading at $1,360 and consolidating at these levels. We need to wait for the evening markets from US to open to see a breakout above or below the said levels that I had given. On the MCX, markets opened gap up of around 3.5%. It is now trading at around the 30,150 mark. Strong resistance will be seen at 30,380 to 3,400 and support at 30,050 to 29,950. All the trades that are advisable as of now are for short term only, and no positional trades are seen as of now, as the markets seem to be reacting fundamentally every day to news of the QE3 stimulus, etc. on a day-to-day basis. Buy on dips as far as gold is concerned is recommended. A profit booking before the evening market cannot be ruled out, so one needs to see on a closing basis whether gold closes above the $1,370. However, it's expected to rally up to $1,390, $1,400 in the days to come, and major upside next could be seen only a close above $1,400. Silver hit a high of $23.15 and now trading at the pivot of 22.8. Strong support is now seen at 22.5. Next upside is seen on a close above $23.2. If it sustains and closes in the days to come about $23.2, you can see higher levels of $24 to $25. A break below 22.5 could roll it back up to 21.5, 21.8 and to $21. On the MCX, trading now at 49,150, strong support is seen at 48,800. If sustains above 49,600, could retest highs of the day at 49,900, 50,200 and 50,500. Of course, a weakening INR could only strengthen the bullions more, which could be seen in the days to come. What has happened over the last few days is suddenly in the markets, the bullions have shot up in late night trades, although in dollar terms it has not gone up. This is evidence of the fact that the INR weakening is spoken about in the market, and in the days to come any further weakening of the INR would be reflected in late evening trades also. Next, we'll be talking about the energy space as far as crude is concerned. Now trading at around the $107.20 mark. Strong resistance is seen at 108 to 109. Maximum above 110. A break and close above 109 as and when it happens could take it up to 110, 112, even up to $115. Strong support is now seen at $104, below that up to 102.50. The Egyptian crisis is weighing in the market strongly and holding up crude prices, as also the shortage of inventories in the US markets. On the MCX, it is now trading at 66.20. Strong supports are now seen at 6,580 and 6,560. A close above 6660 could take it up to 6,700, 6,730 and 6,750. If it closes above 6,700, cannot rule out a possibility of even 6,750, 6,800 and 6,850 in the days to come. A weakening INR again is supportive of the crude oil prices on the MCX market to propel it to higher levels. Natural gas it broke out of the key resistance levels a few days back of 203 and now is trading in a band of 208 to 215. 215 is a strong resistance level. A close above 215 could take it to the next higher levels. As of now, supports are seen at 208 and 206. Wait for fresh entries in natural gas. We will now talk about the base metal pack. First we talk about copper. LME copper is now trading at $73.88. Strong resistance is seen at $7,500. Next major upside would be seen only on a break or close over 7,500, which may be hard to sustain as per current trends that are available. The Chinese demand seems to be picking up and fundamental news on China is weighing in as far as the markets of base metals are concerned. On the MCX exchange, hit a high of 465, now trading at around the 459 to 460 mark. Strong support is seen at 456. A break above 462 again could see levels of 464, 466, 468 and even up to 470 levels. Positionally, a close above 465 to 466 could see much higher levels of 475 and 480 in the days to come, so long as 452 and 448 are held on. Other base metals, nickel overall has been positive over the last 10 days. Currently trading at around the 920 mark. Immediate support is seen at 910. A close above 925 could take it to the levels of 930, 940 and 950 levels in the days to come. We've been on the buy side positionally in all the base metal commodities. Copper from 427 levels, nickel from 898 levels. Lead seems to be continuously positive over the last 10 days, now trading at around the 137 to 137.5 mark. Immediate support is at 136.50 and positional support at 135. A close above 137.50 could take it to levels of 139, 141 and 142 in the days to come. Aluminium and zinc are also rallying along with the other base metals. Aluminium a close above 114 could take it up to 116 to 117 levels. Zinc a close above 118 could take it up to 120, 122 to 124 levels. I've given a brief wrap up of all the commodities as I've seen it at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. A little bit traders should watch out for a little amount of profit booking which is likely to set in this evening before entering into fresh trades.